Sibsagar on the edge. Administration summons 27 CSO leaders. Leaders of ethnic organizations asked to sign bond. Move evokes sharp reactions. The Sibsagar district administration in Assam has initiated a campaign summoning leaders of civil society organizations and asking them to sign a bond. Leaders from various ethnic organizations in Assam have been asked to sign bonds, pledging to refrain from making any provocative statements or staging any demonstration. This move from the Sibsagar district administration comes amid rising tensions in the district between Assamese and non-Assamese communities. The administration has warned that any violations could result in legal action as per law. The initiative has targeted 27 prominent figures, including Shrinkhal Chaliha, the leader of the Bir Lachit Sena. Summons have also been issued to other leaders such as Chintu Borwa, the president of the Jatiya Sangram Sena, and Bhaskar Borgohai, General Secretary of the Assam Thai Ahom Students Union. These leaders have been summoned to appear before the Sibsagar district magistrate. The bond signing campaign has sparked significant reactions from the various quarters. Basanta Gogoi, the president of ATASU, criticized the move, stating that signing a bond will not deter the fight for indigenous rights. He stated that the people of Upper Assam have always maintained law and order, insisting that there is no unrest in Sibsagar. According to Gogoi, the conflict is not about religious differences but about the struggle between indigenous and non-indigenous communities.
Bohagroto Hanti Pivek 60 Huainasil Uzuni of Law and Order Piveko 60 Huisil. Manuhe Andulon Kuse Gonotantic Procure. Our Gonotantic Procure Nizor Potiba the Hybosto Econ of Homodri Coribon Ware, Econ Rajo the Coribon Ware, Titale, Sorka Hone Gonotantic Puriponti Camcris. Our Sorka Honor against thought. Isuman Kota Kuarkan as a Sorkare, Potus Datio Zonogusti Hongorle Somon Darigus. Yes, Somon to a Hadhan Kota. In a Sorka Buzatu Hal, the Hilondia Ostito Reka Sato Jikon Hongam Hivagopa Ambo Hoisil. He Hongram Kono got it to a better. Our Kunud Honor Ein Canon, Kunud Honor Enoka Bondot Sign Cry, Amar Protibadi Control Ruskurbo Noire, Etu Homer Mikomonti Himonto Bishosoma Dangore, Bozatu Kube Poisonase, Hilonjiar Ostito Rekar Jikon Hongram, here Hongram Kono Beratakibo.
Shrinkhal Chaliha of the Bir Lachit Sena also voiced his opposition, declaring that he would rather face imprisonment than sign the bond. He asserted that their movement is focused on indigenous dominance and the expulsion of Bangladeshi immigrants, irrespective of their religious affiliations.
কোনো কারণে বনসাইনত স্বাক্ষৰ নকৰো কালি আমি সামাজিক মাধ্যম যোগেদি এটো কথা স্পষ্ট কৰি দিছো প্ৰয়োজনত জেল কিন্তু বনসাইন কৰা নহব এটা আমি খুমাবলৈ নিদিও এতিয়া অসমত এটা নেৰেটিভ হৈছে এই নেৰেটিভটো আমি চেঞ্জ কৰিব লাগিব যে বিজেপিক সাপোৰ্ট কৰিলে কি হিন্দু বাংলাদেশী সমৰ্থক কংগ্ৰেছক সাপোৰ্ট কৰিলে হি মুছলমান বাংলাদেশী সমৰ্থক এবিলাক কি কথা আমি কৈ আছো খিলঞ্জীয়া আধিপত্যবাদৰ কথা আমি কৈ আছো খিলঞ্জীয়া ভূমি অধিকাৰৰ কথা আমি কৈ আছো এবা বাংলাদেশী যাব লাগে এবা হিন্দু যাব লাগে এবা মুছলমান যাব লাগে আমি নাই কোৱা নহয় আমি একত্ৰিতভাৱে এখন সংগ্ৰাম কৰি আছো এই সংগ্ৰামখন বহিৰাগত মানুহৰ বিৰুদ্ধে বহিৰাগত মানুহৰ অৰ্থনৈতিক আগ্ৰাসনৰ বিৰুদ্ধে এই সংগ্ৰামখন বাংলাদেশী অৰ্থনৈতিক আগ্ৰাসনৰ বিৰুদ্ধে আজি আমাৰ মাটি বাৰী সকলো বাংলাদেশীয়ে দখল কৰিছে মাটি বাৰী সকলো বহিৰাগতই দখল কৰিছে এনেকেতো নহব
Amid growing tensions, security has been heightened across Sibsagar district in Assam. The local police, along with the district administration, conducted a march through the streets to maintain peace and prevent any further disturbances. Sibsagar SP and the district commissioner participated in the march, assessing the law and order situation in the area.
আপোনালোকে দেখিছে চাগে এতিয়া আজি মানে আমি গোটেই আমাৰ হোল পুলিচ কণ্ট্ৰল ৰুমটোত বহুতখিনি শিৱসাগৰ ডিষ্ট্ৰিক্টৰ পুলিচ পাৰ্চনেল ইয়াত গোট খাই আছে। আমি আজিৰ পৰা এনেকুৱা ডিচিশ্যন এটা লৈছোঁ যে নেক্সট 7 দিন 10 দিন বা 15 দিনৰ কাৰণে আমি মানে ৰেগুলাৰ বেচিছ এনেকুৱা ফ্লেগ মাৰ্চ বা ৰুট মাৰ্চ হওক আমি এইটো কণ্টিনিউ কৰি মানে ৰাইজৰ ওচৰত যাবলৈ চেষ্টা কৰিম আৰু তেওঁলোকৰ যি অভাৱ অভিযোগ আছে সেইখিনি জানিবৰ কাৰণে আমি চেষ্টা কৰিম।
The Sivsagar District Administration has also promulgated prohibitory orders under Section 163 of the BNSS within 200 meters of protected monuments under the Archaeological Survey of India and the Assam Directorate of Archaeology. The situation in Sivsagar has been tense for the past 10 days following an alleged assault on a 17-year-old national level athlete by local businessmen from the Marwari community. This incident triggered widespread protest against non-Assamese business owners. In response to the unrest, Assam Cabinet Minister Ranoj Pego held a meeting in Sivsagar last week attended by representatives from both Assamese and Marwari community. During the meeting, members of the Marwari community issued a public apology for the assault on the young athlete, expressing their regret to the protesting organizations. As the situation unfolds, the administration's approach to make leaders of CSOs sign bonds has become a focal point of debate, with local leaders asserting their commitment to the cause of indigenous rights despite the government's attempts to quell the protest. News Desk Report, Ani News.